What if you could make money while you sleep? While you're on vacation? While you're binge watching Netflix or out grabbing coffee? Sounds like a dream, right? Because right now, people around the world are using one simple online trick to make money 24/7, no boss, no office, and no trading time for dollars. And here's the best part, it's simpler than you think. Sell time independent value. In the old world, you got paid for the hours you worked. But in the new economy? You get paid for value that runs without you. This trick is all about setting up a digital system that does the heavy lifting for you. We're talking automated content evergreen sales funnels, AI-driven services. Once it's live, it runs. Let's break it down. Step 1. Create one thing that solves a problem. What do people pay for? Solutions to their problems, entertaining content, learning shortcuts. Here's where you come in. Design a Notion planner or budget spreadsheet. Build a video course from your experience. You don't need to be a guru. Launch a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. Set up a simple ebook or digital guide. This isn't about complexity. It's about solving one real problem and doing it better than average. Now that you've got something valuable, it's time to put it to work. Gumroad. Or pay him. To sell digital products, Fiverr or Etsy, YouTube or TikTok. To create evergreen content that brings attention, Pinterest. To drive passive traffic to your store. Here's the trick most people miss. You don't need to go viral. You just need consistent visibility in places where people are already looking. Step 3. Automate the money flow. Zapier, to automate workflows, ConvertKit or MailChimp. For email funnels that sell while you sleep, ChatGPT, blog posts, and scripts, or buy me a coffee. You're not just building a product, you're building a system that earns income while you do other things. 10 into hundreds. Let's say you spend one weekend creating a digital course called Freelancing 101. You upload it to Gumroad, set up a few TikTok videos promoting the course, and write a blog post that ranks on Google. Now, anytime someone searches, how to start freelancing, your blog appears. Land on your course, you're watching a movie. You just made $29. You're on a walk. You just made $58. You're asleep. Another sale. Another day of passive profit. Why this works, and always will. The internet doesn't sleep. And that means your business doesn't have to either. Whether it's midnight in Tokyo or 3 p.m. in New York, someone is looking for a guide, a planner, and if you've created that solution, you get paid. It's strategy plus systems. The window of opportunity. Right now, most people are still chasing side hustles that require constant effort, ride shares, deliveries, freelance gigs. But a small group of people are building automated machines that print money around the clock. But it works. Let the system sell it forever. If you're ready to stop trading time for money and start making money every hour of the day, if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.